another day of vlogmas. I'm not sure which day this is going to be, but I am on my way to the post office in the daytime because I want to get this dropped off. I wanted to ship out today. The post office closes at 5. It's 4:34, so yeah, we should be good to go. Then I'm gonna go get some gas because I only got 64 miles left, and then I'm gonna start my night working. It is Friday, so hopefully we'll be able to make some good money tonight. I started studying for the career that I want to go into, and I'm gonna talk more about it in probably another video, but my plan is to study now. Hopefully sometime in January I'll be 100% ready to test so that I can get the stuff that I need. And then yeah, that's all I'm gonna say, because if I say too much then I guess it'll probably be obvious, and I don't want to like go into too much detail right now. Bro, it was yellow. Anyways, yeah, so I started studying. I'm just really excited. I'm so ready to start something new. Like, I'm tired of being around here and just feeling like I'm not progressing at all. But I will say I've been getting a few emails. See, that's why I don't like coming to the post office in the daytime no more. Oh, and there's people over there. We'll just park over here. I don't want to go and air all these people. But anyways, I have been receiving a couple emails, so I'm gonna respond later on, probably tonight, and see what these people talk about, because we might have some potential deals. So yeah, let me run in here. I don't feel like going here, bro. I really don't. Ooh, it's busy on Instacart and DoorDash. First order of the night is $9.50 Panera. I'm currently sitting outside of Panera. I hate when people are in my face. What are you looking at? I'm about to go inside and see if it's done. I think I should have parked behind them so I could drive up. Got the food. Already confirmed the delivery. Let's see. How far am I? This smells so good. I am 9 minutes away, 3 miles. I'm glad I took that order. That lady was so nice. It was a old lady. I hope I'm gonna get a car out because it's even more wiggly. Like, what is happening right now? Stay still. I'm trying to talk. And the notes, it said not to text, just call. So I called once I got out the car. I was gonna record it, but I wanted to get it dropped off. It said $9.50 when I had accepted it. It went up to $12.50. She gave me a $10 tip. Appreciate it. All right, so now we're gonna see what we're gonna get next. Next order, this one is from Volcano Hibachi, and it is $9.50. Pillow talking with niggas and trying to got me. You really got the audacity to discuss me. Doing enough. Tell me I'm doing too much. Tell me that you've been in love. Girl, you're not doing. I thought I knew where I was going, so I kept driving right past where I was supposed to turn in. So I had to turn around, but I was still on time. And this one ended up going up to, what was it, 11.50, I think. Yeah, this one went up to 11.50. It was originally $9.50. So I'm glad I'm taking these orders. So I'm about to see what I can get next. It is now 6:50. It is getting late. I cannot see. This street is definitely in the cut. I'm gonna have to just pull out. Come on, bro. Where can I go? There's somebody behind me. I gotta go. I feel like I be pressured with somebody behind me. Like, I gotta go. They're gonna have to wait though, because there's so many cars coming. Next order, this one was $8.50 CVS. She did get 4 items, right? Yeah, she got 4 items, but I could only get 3. She didn't respond, so I gotta go. Time is money, okay? And she didn't put down any substitutions. I gave her time to respond, and she didn't. So I'm on my way to drop her off. I'm literally 1 minute away from the drop off. All right, so I got the next order. This one is at Juan's, $9. And the customer's name is Jordan P. What if this is my husband? What if this is Jordan Poole? Like, what if I was delivering to Jordan Poole right now? I would hope the order would be more than this though. But what if this was my man? I got a crush on him. I think he is so handsome. Like, what? I don't even like Bryce, but he just a different breed. He fine. Like, what if this is Jordan? What if this is my man? Let me stop. But yeah, I'm about to go pick this up. We are at $32.50 before this order. It's crazy because I was just saying that I'm ready to go home, and this order is literally right by my house. So I'm kind of tempted to go home, but I really should stay out and at least try to do one more so we can get over 50. That would be smart. We'll just have to see. I don't know. I might stay out longer. It's 7:26, so I probably could get at least like 1 or 2 more orders. But I don't know. I'm just ready to go in the house. Plus, folks that came home and ordered food. I didn't put this man onto this hibachi place, and he done had it twice without me. He ordered food without me, y'all. Like, that is just so heartbreaking. I'm so sad right now because I like hibachi. I thought the food was so delicious. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat because folks already ate without me, which is crazy because I never ever do him like that. Whenever I get some food or make some food, I be like, you ate? You want some? And usually he'll text me or call me and ask me if I eat anything. But he didn't do that. So I'm feeling some type of way. I'm real salty. But let me go over here and see if this order is done. I did put the chicken in the air fryer last night, and bro, it came out so good. I seasoned that perfectly. And I had my mashed potatoes and green beans. I still have some mashed potatoes and green beans left. So honestly, I might just make that meal again. Chicken doesn't take long to thaw out, so that might be my dinner. Because I'm not trying to spend any more money. Alright, y'all, we about to meet my husband. I'm just playing. Bro, that would be so crazy. This better be on the end, because I be getting lost out here. I'm not gonna hold you. Take my seatbelt off. 2000. Right. Okay, I found this right here. And of course, he ain't got no damn light on. I think I delivered to him before. Or somebody lived there. Park the car real quick. Alright, let's go drop this off. I'm going through my email. I'm about to respond to 2 companies. They're both legit. Well, actually I have 3, but I think one just wants to send me something for free. but the other two are trying to like actually really work. So I'm trying to figure out what my rate should be because I have no idea. I'm trying to come up with an actual rate for my videos. Like if you want a full dedicated video, that has to be a different price from an integration. An integration is, it could be like a 4 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute clip inserted into a video. So those have to be two different prices. So I have to figure out what I want to charge people. So that's what I'm doing right now. So when I figure that out, I'm going to email these folks back. I got to figure it out as soon as possible because I don't want to keep them waiting. Because this is something that, you know, I've been praying for. And I don't want to miss out on the opportunity by taking forever to come up with a number. Let's pray that this goes right so your girl can get out there, okay? I'm grateful that people are noticing me. I'm really glad that I did decide to do vlogmas this year. And I truly appreciate everyone that has watched every single video. Like, I truly appreciate it. I really, really do. I'm so grateful. Yeah, we only have a couple more days left, and I know this vlog is short, but I really haven't been doing much, but I'm still trying to put out something for y'all. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish it. We came too far to stop. We only have a couple more days, so we have to finish. Like, it's mandatory at this point. I'm so proud of myself.